A Metro school bus driver asked for cloth masks for students, and she was overwhelmed by the outpouring of support from the community.
While times are tough during the pandemic, kindness isn't canceled. News Channel 5's Alexandra Cohen shows us how mask distribution went today.
Metro school bus driver Christy McWhirter picks students up and drops them off at Warner Arts Magnet Elementary School.
These kids don't have anything, and sometimes these kids get on sad, and I like to be the first face they see in the morning, which is what I am, because I give them hope every day, and I remind them every day that they are important, that they are special, and that people really do care about them.
During the pandemic, Christy is in charge of making sure students have a mask on at all times.
These are all the boys here. I give them a new mask every morning, a disposable. And then by the time the afternoon rolls around, when they're getting back on the bus, I have to give them another one because they've already chewed a hole in it or it's been ripped apart.
Recently, she posted to the Hip Donaldson Facebook page asking for durable cloth masks for her students, and she was blown away by the support.
A lot to me because, as you know, I grew up poor and I grew up not having anything, and just the smallest kindness goes a long way.
She was excited to finally distribute some of the cloth masks after school.
It feels great to know that people care about these children and what they go through. So it means a lot.
Another set of volunteers has decided to monogram cloth masks in case this batch gets lost.
To take away from this, what I was wanting is these children to feel like they're important and needed and loved, and that they mean something, at least to me.
We all have to ask for help every once in a while, and Christy is sure glad she did.
Very, very appreciative.
Reporting in Nashville, Alexandra Cohen, News Channel 5.
Kindness isn't canceled. Christy is going on her 6th year as a school bus driver for Metro schools.